Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to
paint and plant.
Paint and plant.
We want paint and then plant. Maybe plant and then paint.
For spring, we are going to make our own painted planters, and then we are going to plant some seeds in them. Before we get started with today's project, thank you once again to everyone who sends in pictures and videos of your kit projects or what you're working on at home. We love seeing them, so keep sharing them, and we will keep sharing them in our videos.
And a special thanks to Anna Maria, who always is a fan of our videos and stops in and says hi all the time. Our first step. We want to unpack, take off the cover to our little planter.
No,
this isn't the first step.
we want to talk about what's in the kit. What
Oh,
we're using.
yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, so this is your kit. We've got a little planter that had a cover on it, and inside that is a packed,
Hockey puck.
yeah. No, this is actually dirt that's been compressed down. I think it's got some peat moss in it, too. We've got a mixture of some seeds in here. Okay. We've got some paint. And we've got a paintbrush. What other things would we need?
You're going to need some water so we can turn this hockey puck into something useful. And then you might just want like paper towels or something. It might be a little messy, but it's not going to be too bad. But you shouldn't need much else.
That's it.
So the first thing that we're going to do is we are just going to paint our planter. And this can look however you want. You can use any of the colors of your paint. You can paint anything you want on there. But we want to paint it and let it dry first before we add anything else inside.
Show yours. Yeah. Very nice. All right. Next step. We're going to place this into the cup and put the little tray that we have, the drip tray, underneath our planter that we just painted. And we're going to place this in the cup, and we're going to slowly pour water over it. And you'll see that it's going to expand, and it's going to unpack itself. It's packed for convenience.
About how much water do we need? Do we need a lot, a little?
I would say this cup will probably use about 3/4 of this cup. 6 ounces. Start with 6 ounces. Get like a mug full of water, not a big mug. 3 Dixie cups from the bathroom. 14 ladles of water. 1/32 of a gallon. I don't know if that's actually true.
Yeah.
So we're going to pour the water in. You could probably angle it down, but we'll never get this angle back again.
Yeah. I'm telling you, my brain's not here today.
It's okay.
Yeah.
You're fine.
Okay.
Hey, put it right here.
It just went straight through, though.
Well,
Like,
because
how's
you were
it
holding
gonna...
it sideways.
Okay.
That's why. All right, so we're going to place our puck into there, slowly add water, and you'll see it start to puff up. The first couple drops of water are going to look like it's not doing anything. Let those sit in there with that little tray underneath, and all of a sudden you'll see it suck up, and then it'll fluff right up.
As the water is soaking into that puck and it's turning into dirt, essentially, you can use your paintbrush to just kind of mix it up, fluff it up. Just make sure that all your dirt is not still packed tight in the bottom of your planter.
Or outside your planter. I'm getting muddy. Okay.
I feel like it's the simplest projects we can't handle.
I know. Guess what? Now it's time to plant. We painted, now we plant. So we've got some grass seed. It may have some sprout seeds in it, right? Mm-hmm. Is that what they're called? Sprout seeds. I don't know, sprouts. And you just want to sprinkle them in. And they're fine if they kind of sit on top. You don't want to pack them down in there. You just want to kind of have them kind of just covered maybe just a little bit with the soil. Now your seeds will take about 5 to 10 days to start to germinate. So once you've watered this, you could put the lid on it, place it near a window. You want to make sure that the soil stays wet for the first, like I said, 5 to 10 days. That's when germination will start, and you'll start to see the sprouts come up. And then after that, you'll take the lid off. This lid will just help to keep the water in the soil so it doesn't evaporate so quickly. What happened to you?
I'm having a little water issue. Make sure you don't use too much water. Or use a bigger drip tray.
Yeah. All right, and that's it. That is it. Send in pictures once it starts to grow.
What? We can't use that.
I can't keep talking because you keep moving. Where are you going?